if you're not creating video for platforms like Facebook and YouTube, you're missing out on tons of cheap traffic, but also pre-qualified traffic. My belief is if you're watching a video all the way through, you're truly engaged with whatever it is I'm trying to give to you.
Yeah.
And so even if my click-through rate is insanely low because of a video, those opt-ins are going to be more pre-qualified than me getting 90-cent leads from Facebook, but only 5% of them open my emails. So I'd rather take people who watched the video all the way through, clicked through to my site, and then opted in than just someone coming from a banner and then opting in. It's just more of like a pre-qualifier. And if I had to choose a third one lately, it would be Twitter, because Twitter has opened up a lot of their ad platform to be very similar to both YouTube and Facebook. They have video view campaigns, they have engagement campaigns, and they were actually first to market with these subscribe campaigns where you can opt in people within the platform and never take them away from the site.
Yeah, very cool.
They were the first ones, and Facebook has their own rollout of something like that similar in the next couple weeks. So yeah, I mean, those are my top three right now, for sure.